Look at that great lineup of wolf packs. They've got that nice one-piece fiberglass cap on them. We're going to talk about the 315 Pack 12. That means it has a 12-foot garage. 2 air conditioners on the roof. And let's take a look. We're going to start down over here. Look at this monster awning that goes all the way across. Look at that gel coat. It's got an automotive gel coat on it, so it's really nice and shiny, easy to keep clean. So your steps pull out, and then you got this nice big railing right here. Outside speakers, mirrored tinted glass windows. You can hang your TV right there, and all the hookups are close. And we'll pop this door open right here. You can see it has a pull-out stove, ice maker, little mini fridge. It's even got a spot to hook up for fresh water. That's a fresh water spigot right there. And then this has a tankless water heater on it, so on-demand hot water heater. Another speaker on this end. And then your storage compartment is just massive. I'll try to get in here and show you, but all that, all under there, all storage. This is prepped for auto level. You can add it if you want. It has electric leveling, electric stabilizing, and you can add the auto level. Look at all the tie downs inside here. It's pretty slick. And then we're gonna get you down under here. You can see the pipe sticking out. That is for the generator. We'll flip these open, and right in there you have a Yamaha 5500 watt generator. And then that one holds your battery. Light switch for the lights on the front of the camper up on that. Alright. You know what? I'm going to show you real quick. Let's go back. Show you those lights. See right there? Each side has LED lights on the front cap. Hot and cold water shower right there. Your water hookups, black tank flush. If you have cable or satellite, you hook it in right there. And then another freshwater. So you got 2 freshwater spots and a hot and cold shower. And all kinds of water spots on this thing. Then back here you have your plug. So it's 50 amp service since you have 2 air conditioners. Your dumps right there for sewer. And then that's where you turn on for the gas, 30-gallon gas tank, and then your fuel pump is right there. This does have the party deck on the back, so you can fold it out and you could use it either as a ramp or as the party deck. It does have electric stabilizing right there, like I say, front and back, and it's prepped, so you're there for auto leveling if you decide you want to add auto level. We can do that right here. So you can see it's extended season, so you got heated and closed underbelly. So when you first walk in here, there's a sink with a drying rack and a cutting board, and then this is a sprayer you hold your mug right there and you push down and it'll spray out your mug. Keychain. It needs a little dusting right here. Somebody missed a spot. This will hold your keychains, lights, switches, and then your total control setup here. You can see it's Bluetooth, so you can hook this to your phone, and anything you could run off of that, you can run off your phone with the app. So as we come in, you can see you got your recliners there with cup holders, heat, massage, lighted cup holders, chair, table, storage bench, nice big 12-volt fridge, lots of storage all around. And then there's a ladder in the other room that you can use to get up to the loft there, which is pretty slick. Coat hangers, fireplace. You go up the steps to the bedroom, even more storage on each side. And your thermostat's right there, and then your hookups for your TV, which you sit right across from. So towel hanger, robe hanger, Very nice surround shower. So some of them don't have it. Some of them are just, your panel, but this has an actual tub surround and a quality shower head. That's better than most. And then there's the control for the tankless water heater, foot flush toilet, and that's porcelain. It's not cheap plastic. And you got 2 doors here to the bathroom, so they call it a Hollywood bathroom or a Jack and Jill. A little more storage in the bedroom. You got a spot to hook up your TV there. You can start the generator from the bedroom. Got storage all around there. End tables, charging ports, your separate thermostat for the bedroom, your light switch, 12 volt plug-in. And here's a nice look from up above, and as we come down we're going to go into the garage area. 12-foot garage. So right there you have the second door. Washer dryer prep with all the plugs right there. You got a camera spot there so you can watch your merchandise back here. So you got 2 beds. This one will come down and that'll make into either 2 sofas, or you can use it as a bed. You can fold it against the wall or put it all the way up to the top. Table that goes in between there, and then there's your patio. Those will fold out, and they're super simple to use. They just roll right out on those rollers and makes a nice railing system. And these are all blackout shades, so you can pop them open. You just pop them open and you can take them off. I can pull half of it off and then it gets a little light into here. So they're all over in here. So there's the 315 pack 12, I should say. Color match vinyl floor, looks really slick, no carpeting. And then there's your fuel gauge. That'll keep an eye on how much fuel is in that tank that we looked at out there. So if this is the one for you, come check it out. We got 4 different models in stock as of right now. Thanks for watching.